Hello all. I hope all of you are doing great and enjoying the day. Today I am here to discuss about one simple word that is occupation. I know all of you know the meaning of it. Job, right? We have read in class 4, we have read in class 5. In lots of chapters this word occupation came and we all read the meaning at that time job. We all know that. But today, for now, my question is what is occupation? How many of you can say? Don't say job. It's not only job. You simply say what is occupation means. I'm asking here the definition of occupation. How many of you know? If you know, then that's great. If you don't know, then just watch this video all okay up to end. You will get to know. You will understand what is occupation exactly. It's simply job only. I agree on that. It's truly simply job only. So before proceeding ahead, I am going to show you some pictures over here. You see here the first picture. I'm going to show you different pictures. See them properly, okay? See all these picture properly and try to find out the common thing from all these pictures. What is the common thing in all these pictures? This is my questions, okay? And at the end of these pictures, I want to know the answer from you and so say it properly. Okay. Now say me what common things you saw in all these pictures. Here are it. You can see the pictures again. I have mentioned all the pictures over here in the same display. You can see all the 17 pictures are here, right? So now you find out the common thing. What is the common in all these pictures? It's very simple. If you have found out, then that's great. Still not, then one hint I would like to give you: what people are doing. What people are doing. I hope now you came to know. Simply, they are doing their own jobs, right? If you have guessed the same, then that's great. In all these pictures, people are doing their own jobs. Different people are doing different jobs, right? So my next question is why? I mean, why they are working? Why people are doing their job? Obviously you're gonna say for money. I agree on that. Lots of people in this world work for money. But again, my question is the same. Why people work for money? Just think about it. If you know the answer, then that's great. If you don't know, then just pause this video here and ask to your elder, ask to your father, mother, whoever, or you can ask to your brother as well. If he sees walking, right? Ask to anyone. Why we need money? Why? The simple answer is, if you have asked them or if you have thought, then the simple answer is number one, food, number two, cloth, number three, shelter. The dialogue became Nagas, was Kapas. We have heard in lots of movies, right? So these three things are the most important things which we require in our daily life. Lockdown is going on from last 1 month, and in this 1 month we all know what is the status of the maximum people who don't have money. They are just searching for food, they are just searching for clothes, they are just searching for their houses, I mean shelter. We have all known about it, right? No one in the world today's time is looking for gold, looking for diamond, looking for silver. No one is looking for any valuable things. All them are looking for food only, clothes only for shelter, nothing else. The importance of money that we have to understood. And this COVID-19 make us understood about the importance of money. Right? I hope you understand my point, what I'm trying to say. Okay, now let's come to the point. I hope you understood this, right? We need money to get food, clothes, shelter. And to get all these three basic things, we have to work. No one gonna give you food, no one gonna give you money just by sitting at home, right? Yes or no? Okay. So you can see here, money equal to food. So why we want money? What we do exactly? Exactly, we earn. We work to earn. We work to earn food. We work to earn clothes. We work to earn shelter. We work to earn all those things what is required. Whatever we want in our life, to get all those things, we work for that. We do any kind of job. I hope you understand, right? We do any kind of work to get all the required things. To get the required things, I'm again saying the same thing. To get whatever the things are required, you want money. You have to earn money, and to earn that money, you have to work. So I want to conclude here. Any regular work or activity means anything. I show you in those pictures, right? In 17 pictures, I show you clearly what people are doing. They're doing their work. I mean, they are doing some activities. They are doing their some on work. Individually, they were doing some work. For what? To earn. For what? To earn. What to earn? What to earn? To earn source of their livelihood. What? To earn the source of their livelihood. This is only known as occupation. Simply to understand, any regular work or activity done by an individual to earn as source of their livelihood is known as occupation. Simply to we say job, right? I hope you understand this sentence. If not, then see in Nepali. आजीविकाको स्रोतको रूपमा कमाउन कुनै व्यक्तिले गरेको कुनै पनि काम वा गतिविधिलाई पेशा भनिन्छ. Occupation, pesa, jobs, same thing. I hope you understand the definition of occupation. If not yet, then I request you to watch this video from beginning, right? So it's very easy. I hope now you know the definition as well of occupation. Meaning is job, that's fine. And what is the definition? Definition is simply any regular work or activity done by an individual to earn as their source of livelihood is known as occupation, right? So this was for today. Again, I'll be coming up with next video very soon. So have a good day and stay home, stay safe. Bye.